make sure to check out my Patreon, where you can get access to full-length album reviews, and also you could get me to react to anything of your choice. Check it out.
Hey guys, it's your girl PinkMetalHead. Welcome back to my channel. So I am reacting to a band that I've never reacted to before, and they are called Rival Sons, and the song is Soul. And I want to give a big shout out to Mark, my Patreon member, for recommending this song for me. If you guys want to see me react to anything of your choice, check out my Patreon, or you could like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Everything from you. They may take your time, yeah, to think things through. They'll tell you everything that you want to hear, until you tell them that what they say is true. And that's when the darkness comes to your loneliness, and your given voice sounds so meaningless. That's when they give your mouth such an eloquence that you think you sound just like your hero. But don't give them your soul. Don't give them your soul. Don't give them your soul. Save that soul for me. Yeah, I got those same 5 walls. Stare at the ceiling and try to transcend it all. That's when your doubt creeps in, tells you to break your wings, tells you you need not try, says you're afraid to fall. That's when the darkness comes to your loneliness, and your given voice sounds so meaningless. That's when they give your mouth such an eloquence that you think you sound just like your hero. Don't give them your soul. Now, don't give them your soul. Don't give them your soul. Save that soul for me. Save that. Darling, I might leave you. I might absent-mindedly mistreat you, but listen.
But yeah, so 10 out of 10 already. Like, the song is called Soul, and that's exactly what this band has in that song. Like, chills, just ultimate chills. Like, wow. What I love about this guy's voice is you could feel, like, I feel like that's why they call it soul music, is because it hits you in your soul. You could actually feel the lyrics. Like, it just hits you different, you know what I mean, than almost any other genre, you know, like, just the way that they do the runs, the way, you know, the inflections, everything is just, like, completely different. So I absolutely love this. You know, the bands, you know, also they were just killing on the drums and the guitar. The whole thing was just a masterpiece. I can't believe I've never heard of this band before. Where have I been? Definitely have to check out more from them. If you guys want to see me react to more from Rival Sons, just like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
And also feel free to follow me on my social media, including Instagram, where my handle is @PinkMetalHead. You can like my pictures, leave a comment, hit me up in the DMs, request songs, music. So yeah, follow me.